if you want to introduce your teammates, then there's team members section which you can use. So let me just click on this plus icon right over here to add a new section, and on the left side there's the team members section right over here. So once I click on it, what happens is that this is similar to testimonial but without any description, as you can see right over here. So let's say I like this design right over here. So I'm just going to click and add it to the section over here. So you got the team member section right over here on the bottom. So you can go around and work with this. So you can go around to a team member. You can have a position right over here. So let's say, for example, something like designer right over here. And you can also change the name and change the format as well. You can also add in a description right over here, but usually when you introduce team members, you don't add in description. So by default, it's turned off. You can also go over to the button. So you want to link off to each team member's website and so forth. You can do that as well. And of course, you can edit and replace the image right over here as well. So this is the team member info right over here. You can create a page for each of the team members as well so that you can link up with them. So this is what you have over here. You can also see that you can edit, duplicate, and hide. So let's say, for example, you want to add more team members. You can simply duplicate it out, and you can see that there's 2 team members right here, and you can edit that out as well. You can also go around with the list items right over here. So you can see that the first option you have is the header title right over here. So you can add in something like team right over here. So I'm just going to leave that in. You can also add in a subtitle over there, and also a paragraph. But usually when you introduce it, then you don't really need detailed paragraphs like those. You can also add in media right over here to have in background picture and so forth. You can also add in header button right over here, just like that. Of course, you can add in more team members right over here. And then over here, there's like a footer paragraph that you can add in on the bottom. And there's footer buttons over here as well. So there's footer buttons over here, which you can add in to make it more interactive, just like that. And this is the team member section. There's different ways to showcase your team members as well by going into section design right over here. So this is what we chose. There's something that's like this. There's something like this as well, and so forth. So this one looks creative. So let me just choose that, and everything else will change out similarly, just like that, as you can see. So there's different ways of showcasing your team members, just like that. For example, there's the scrolling one right over here, and so forth. So that is how you can work around with the team members section inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.